How to make Game Pass and please donate Roblox. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make Game Pass and please donate Roblox. To do it so, you want to first of all open up a browser and on a web address bar, you want to type in roblox.com and log into your account. As you're logged in, then you'll be taken to this page where you need to go ahead and click on create from the top of the page. As you go to the create section, right on this page you want to go to creations from the left hand side bar. As you click on it, you could see your experience. Now you could actually go ahead and open it up, and then you want to scroll down a bit and you could find this monetization section, to which you simply want to scroll down and you could go ahead and click on monetization. Then you could locate passes. You want to click that and want to click on create a pass, after which you want to simply go and upload the image and then give a name for the pass. You could also type in the description if you want, and once done creating, click on create pass. As you've actually created it, you want to go back to the creations tab, and here you want to once again come to the passes, or you could just go ahead and click on the experience and you want to go to scroll down and click on passes. After you've located the particular pass, you could see this is the one. What next you want to do is tap on the three dots, or you want to open it up, and once you open it up, it's going to take you to the next field, and here click on seal. After which you want to set a price for it or seal. So toggle the button and type in it and click on save changes. After you've made changes, or after you've actually done it, so you want to come back and here you have successfully made it so. Now then you want to go to the home page and open up your please donate. Go ahead and find out your please donate. So that is how you could make a Game Pass and please donate Roblox. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.